I started using this SPF CeraVe this summer, so I want to say about 4 or 5 months, and it delivers absolutely everything. It is just the reliable recommended daily pick for sun protection. It protects, it hydrates, and it does not leave a shiny residue, which I love. I hate the feeling of sunscreen or foundation and all that stuff on my face, so I'm always looking for something that is lightweight. I'm happy that I'm going to continue rebuying this because I found something that actually works. It is oil free, it includes hyaluronic acid, it has that matte finish, and it doesn't leave the heaviness on your face like I said that sunscreens and other creams may do, at least for me. So I love that it is lightweight and protects. So this is becoming my go-to, and a little bit goes such a long way. I have a lot left, and it's such a great bang for your buck, and it really does all the things, and it gives you that nice glow without that shine, sticky, heavy feeling on your face. So if you're looking for a good SPF for daily use, I do highly recommend this.